Education is not the preparation for life, it is life. These words by Sir John Dewey has made a great impact in our lives. Even though we are facing these difficult times, the actual learning has never stopped. So hello all, I am Aarav Shah.
I'm Veer.
I study in Witty International School and we learn robotics at Science Kidz. We are here to present our idea automated smart parking for IME 2021.
When before the virus, we had many problems related to the parking. We had to drive around all the parking lot only to find that it was full. We needed to drive fully back and check the next floor.
Well, it was very time consuming, waste of an expensive and rare natural resource which is petroleum and diesel, and also waste of energy. We have made automated smart parking to reduce these wastages.
To make this smart parking, we have used 3 LEDs, we have used 3 LDR sensors, some cutouts, wires, Arduino Nano and its shield along with the Arduino software for coding the project.
Well, now you know why we made this and what we needed to make this. But let me explain you how this project works. We have used 3 LEDs for indication about the amount of cars present. So when there is no car parked, the green LED turns on. When 1 or 2 cars are present, the yellow LED turns on. And when 3 or the total amount of cars are present, the red LED turns on. For this prototype of our idea, we are using 3 cars, but it can be many more. The indication of the car can be used to present or absence by the LDR sensor. But what are the LDR sensors?
LDR sensors stand for light dependent resistor. LDR sensors detect the absence or presence of light. The LDR sensor we have used are smaller than the car, so the car covers it entirely. So we have programmed it to give a particular value, and that tells the LED which particular LED should be turned on. And this is a program which we have done on the Arduino software.
So this is the program. Now I've used the first block, which is the main program. Main program consists of 2 parts, setup and loop. Setup shows that before starting the program, it's a setup that what it should do before starting the program. So before the car parks, there are no cars in it. So it will always start with the green light. So I'm connecting the green light at D11. So it is the setup. Then is the loop. So what is the loop? So loop is something that goes on forever or until a given condition is met or fulfilled. So in the loop, I've mainly used 3 blocks. Under that, I've used many blocks. So this is the first block. So this is the if then block, and if then block states that if there is a condition, then what it should do to fulfill it. So if then consists of 2 parts, test and then. So then if test means that what it should test to perform a given action. So test it and then we program then what should it do to perform. So now there are 2 AND blocks that I've used. So what does AND block do? So when there are 2 conditions and both of them should be fulfilled. If both of them should be fulfilled, then only a particular action can be done. So for that I am using the AND block. Now there is an OR block here. So what does the OR block do? So when there are 2 conditions and one of the 2 conditions should be fulfilled, then only a given thing will work. That's when we use the OR block. So now I have connected the first LDR sensor at A0, second at A1 and third at A2. So when all of them are high or they do not detect light, so that means the car is on them, the red LED should turn on. So the D8 pin which I have used here, this digital 8 pin, is high. So that means that the red LED is turned on, whereas the yellow and the green, separated yellow at D30 and the green at D11, they should be off. Then is the OR block. So like I explained what OR block does. So if the first LDR is high, so it does not detect light, and one of the other 2 also do not detect light, then the red block should be off and the yellow LED should be on and the green should be off. And similarly, when all of them detect low, so when all of them can detect light on them, then the green LED should glow on. So
And now finally, let us show you all a demo of our project.
So this is our demo. So right now this is the Arduino shield where we have done all the connections. The LDR sensors are placed as here below. So now when 3 of the cars are present, the red light will turn on. Now this car will come out. That results to the yellow light to come. Then if any car can come out, even I remove this car, then still the yellow light will turn on because we do have one car in it. But as soon as this comes out, the green light will turn on. So this was my demo. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment sections below and we will make sure we answer it. This brings towards the end of our project and we sincerely thank you all for listening with apt attention and interest.